I am so excited about this company that I just found. It's called Hidden Hollow Beads, and they have so many fun things. So if you're a crafter and you have beads, you have got to check this out. So this is a huge pack of beads, and they're all assorted, and you just get so many different options within there. You'll have a crystal, black lava, acrylic, and you have sizes from 4 millimeters to 10 millimeters. And what's so fun about this too is every bag is different. So even if you place multiple orders, your beads are not going to be the exact same every time, which I think can be so fun. So you just get such a fun different amount of beads in there. And then also there's some jump rings in here to really help give you more options as to what you want to make. I am really excited to sit and play with these. They have that gold one's so pretty, and there's some letter beads in there, whether you're wanting to make a bracelet, a necklace, or I even thought it would be really fun to make a bag charm with these. I think that this is just so fun and offers such a great variety, and you can tell that they're good quality as well. So if you are looking for some more beads, you should definitely try these out.